Today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute and adorable spring plaid that you could switch up the colors for multiple seasons. If you like this tutorial, please remember to like and subscribe. And I also have some Facebook groups linked for you down in the description if you would like to join us and check those out as well. Let's get started on this cute tumbler. Today we are going to be working on a 16-ounce plump from the Stone Magnolia. There will be a discount code linked for you down in the description. I am taking my 80 grit sanding block and just giving this a good sand. I always concentrate on the bottom and top rim. And then we are going to just wipe away the extra dust and then take our Miss Lillian's chalk paint. You can also use acrylic paint or spray paint if you would like, but this color is called Kiss Kiss and I just love it. It's kind of like a reddy pink, and I'm just going to fully coat this entire tumbler. Once your paint has completely dry, take it over to your turner and add a layer of epoxy and then let that layer cure completely. Now I'm going to turn my cup over to expose the bottom, and I'm just taking a water-based marker here and I am just eyeballing and splitting it into thirds. I cut these coral stripes out of vinyl at about a ½ inch, and then I am just going to follow the marks I made on the bottom and use those as a guide to place the stripes going vertically. I just wrapped the excess around the bottom rim and then kind of followed where that seal is on the bottom of the tumbler and just trimmed off the excess. Now I'm going to take 2 more of those vinyl stripes and place them kind of far apart, about right there. I was just kind of eyeballing where I wanted them, and I'm going to place them around our tumbler going horizontally this time. Now I have these powder blue vinyl stripes I cut out at about 1/4 of an inch, and we are just going to go and place those on vertically first, but we are going to offset this to the coral vinyl stripe about 1/2 inch. I'm just eyeballing it here, and then we are going to follow every single stripe around, adding these powder blue vinyl stripes at about 1/2 inch off of the coral, and then we are going to do the exact same thing with the horizontal stripes as well. Once all of your stripes are placed on, we're going to add another layer of epoxy. Once your epoxy is cured, you can add your decal of choice. I just went with that same powder blue vinyl, and I cut out this SVG that says "Be Beautiful." I just thought it was really cute and still so springy, but also something you could carry around with you all year long. Once your decal is placed on, you can add your final layers of epoxy. And here is our finished tumbler. It is just so freaking adorable. I am obsessed with how simple and cute it is. If you try this technique, make sure you give me a tag so I can also check out your beautiful work. Thanks for watching.